So you want to learn the easiest, fastest and cheapest way, and also the safest way to get started investing in cryptocurrency, investing in Bitcoin, and also how to get some free Bitcoin as a beginner in 2021, whether in the UK or the US or anywhere else in the world. This is the best video for that. It's a step-by-step tutorial. What you need to do is use my link in the description or on the screen that you'll see now. The reason for using my link is you won't get the sign up offer bonus without using my link. I do get a bonus as well, be totally transparent with you guys, but you don't get the bonus if you don't use the link. So that's the reason why I'm sharing my link as well with you guys. So you need to go to my link and you'll go to coinbase.com and then it will take you to this page. Also with Coinbase you can earn crypto just by watching videos, taking tests, short tests and quizzes. You can earn up to $40 worth of cryptocurrency just by watching these videos. It may take you 10-20 minutes. So what you'll do is you get to this get started page, obviously put in your name and email and everything, and read the policy if you want. I know most people don't do that. Once you've done this, obviously you'll go through and then you'll be taken through to your account and it will look like this. So this is my account already set up. You see I have around $13,600 in my portfolio. If you want to know how to trade Bitcoin 10, 20, 30x your gains, drop a comment below and I'll put a trading tutorial up on that as well. But this is just to help you get started accumulating Bitcoin. Now, the reason why it's such a great idea to get involved is you'll see over the past year it's up over 260%, past month over 35%, all time. Obviously it's crazy, you can't really compare that, 35,000%. But likelihood is if you put your money in today, in a year or so, it will be at least double, tripled. So what do you do? Once you make your account, you go to your home page, you can then deposit. So how do you do that? You can buy directly with your bank card. So you go buy, you'll add payment details, you attach your bank card. It's just like doing an online purchase, and then you can buy whatever amount you want. What you need to do is deposit or purchase at least $100 or £100 worth of Bitcoin to get the bonus. But just think about it this way: you have that £100, you leave it in the bank, you're going to get 1-2% in the bank account if you're lucky. Put it in stocks, you may get 8, 9, 10% if you're lucky. Put it in Bitcoin in a year, that's in a year by the way, you may get 250%, double, triple your money. Once you've done that, you can also go and buy directly with a bank account. So this is all the ways you can purchase and add money to your bank account, to your Coinbase account. UK bank accounts, US as well, you can do the same. What you do here is just add your sort code, your account number, and you'll do a bank transfer similar to an online bank payment, as if you're paying your friends or setting up a direct debit sort of thing. Once you've done that, you will get either buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you wish. It'll be deposited and it'll be shown here in your account. If you do a bank transfer, it will go into your British pound or euro account. You can then choose to purchase Bitcoin with when it comes up here, it will give you the bank account option if you've added funds to your bank account on Coinbase. Once you've done all that, you can earn Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You can earn cryptocurrency, not with Bitcoin, through taking these short tutorials, lessons, and $1 worth of band and so on, up to $3 worth of new cipher and up to $6 worth of maker. And then you can also earn by inviting your friends. So similar to what I'm doing here, you can earn $200, $300, $400 a day if you have enough friends, if you have a social media influence, if you share this link with people. And obviously that's a passive income stream. And if it's going to be increasing by 200, 300% in the next year, that $10 per person that you get as a bonus could be $20, $30 in the long run. So use the link around this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you want more videos on trading, buying cryptocurrency, anything related to that, drop a comment below. Please subscribe. Please drop a like as well in this video. But most of all, please use the link in the description. You get benefit, I get a benefit, and hopefully this has helped you get started in your crypto journey. So make sure to subscribe, follow my TikTok as well, and I look forward to helping you guys out in the future. Have a great day.